Hey everybody. So very recently I posted a video kind of bashing on Facebook a little bit. It was a video about 5 reasons why Facebook should consider changing their name to, well, Scambook. But funny to note, right after I uploaded that video to YouTube and published it, Twitter rebranded to X. Like, what the heck? Why would Twitter rebrand to X? So yeah, ever since Elon Musk bought Twitter, I've seen a little bit of crazy stuff going on with them. But the whole idea of rebranding a very well-known social media company to a letter of the alphabet, X. It's like, what's the whole idea? Are you trying to make it basically where it's like X marks the spot? Are you trying to turn Twitter into Twitter? What's the whole idea behind the rebranding to X? I don't understand it, guys and girls. I don't understand it. Why? What was the whole idea of changing Twitter's name from Twitter and of course the cute little blue bird to X? Honestly, in a way, I kind of feel like it could be the worst decision Twitter has ever made. Especially since Elon Musk took over the company. It's like you're going to take a very well-known social media name and just erase it. Put X to it, basically. And let's say that Musk, he's had a little bit of a roadblock, not with changing the name, but he's had some issues since he changed the name from Twitter to X. For one, Apple's App Store has, I think, a 2 or 3 character minimum for names for apps on their App Store. So, yeah, X is only 1 character. Whereas the Twitter name was, 7 characters? So, the thing is, when you go to rebrand something like that, it kind of messes things up for people. Just think about all the YouTube channels out there who have a Twitter account, and they have basically been promoting use of their Twitter account. Follow us on Twitter. Now they gotta go back and say follow us on X, but it's really kind of the same as YouTube going in and changing the layout of their website every time you turn around. I mean, creators like myself will do some sort of self-promotion, like asking viewers to subscribe to the channel. And, of course, in all my videos, I have a little graphic showing you how to subscribe to the channel. And the thing is, many YouTubers go through the trouble of creating the same video, showing you how to subscribe, and then YouTube will go through and change everything. And it's like, I mean, but these are rather small changes when you think about it, compared to changing the name of a social media company. Now, Facebook did a similar thing a while back, but Facebook did it with their parent company. And of course, you have the social media site Facebook, and you have the parent company Meta, which used to be known as Facebook. And of course, Facebook, or Meta, owns the Facebook social media site. They own Instagram, they own WhatsApp, among other things. So they basically have an umbrella company known as Meta, and changing the name from Facebook to Meta for the parent company is not as significant as changing the name of the social media site itself. Yeah, the thing is, so when you go to Twitter, you'll see that the Twitter logo and the little bird is no longer there. It's just an X. However, the website, I think Elon Musk had registered the domain x.com as sort of a redirect to Twitter website. But it's funny when you're on Twitter and you want to write a post, you're still tweeting and you're still retweeting. So what are they going to call it? Are you going to X a post? Are you going to re-X a post? I mean, it makes no sense at all why they would call it X. But it makes me wonder, and I think some people are seriously thinking that Musk is like trying to erase the company Twitter from existence. And maybe they won't erase the company, but they're trying their dang best to erase the name that the company has been known by for all these years. I mean, honestly, if I was running a big company, I guess unless I was trying to run the company into the ground, I wouldn't change the name. I wouldn't change the name of the website or the app or whatever from a name that's been known for many years, that's been shared for many years, that's been used for many years to refer to my company. I would not go through and just change the name. I mean, that's ridiculous. And it's like sometimes when I see YouTube channels totally rebrand. And the thing is, when you subscribe to a YouTube channel, and that channel rebrands, when you're going through your subscriptions, it almost appears as if there's a new channel that you don't recall subscribing to, but actually it was a channel that you subscribed to years ago or whenever under a different name. They just rebranded their channel into a whole different thing. Now, let's be honest here. I've actually rebranded my second channel, CubeComp MDDX. It used to be ByteGeek MDDX, but I did rebrand it. But I had to take consideration that I rebranded it for a couple of different reasons. Well, the biggest reason was the old name ByteGeek MTDX seemed to imply that it was a cycling and bicycling channel. And back in the early days, I kind of intended it to be sort of a bicycling channel. I did have some bicycling videos up on the channel, but it was getting to a point where I was doing videos of elevator tours, doing lots of videos of weather, which is the primary niche that CubeComp MDDX is now, is weather videos. The ByteGeek MDDX name just did not fit. It just didn't really mate with what the channel really was. So I rebranded to CubeComp MDDX in early 2017. But let's see, and of course the other reason was, again, the channel was rather small. It didn't have a huge market, I guess we'd call it that. It only had a handful of subscribers at the time. I think maybe it was like 2K subscribers or something like that. I have to go back and look. It was a rather small subscriber count back then. But Twitter, I mean, we're talking about a huge social media company. Rebranding, it's like rebranding from Twitter to X. It's like, what's the whole purpose of that? So I did mention about the roadblock that they're facing with the Apple App Store. The other roadblock has to do with putting a giant X on top of Twitter's building in San Francisco. From what I was reading online, that apparently San Francisco is not happy about Twitter or X Corp changing or putting a giant X on top of their building. Like it's basically like it's violating an ordinance. Yeah, pretty crazy stuff. But anyways, I figured I'd have to make a quick video, or not so quick video, talking a little bit about Twitter's rebranding from Twitter to X. I mean, it's funny. They did this literally right after I posted a YouTube video jokingly talking about why Facebook should change their name to Scambook. Anyways, feel free to let me know what you think in the comments. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video from Cuckoo Channel. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to tick the bell so we get notified when a new video post. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and share this video as well as the channel with your friends and get the word out. Also, I have a second channel, that's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about thunderstorms and weather, cycling, and videos about me personally. Feel free to subscribe over there as well if you like. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your support.